Welcome back to another quick guide. Today. We'll walk you through how to increase PC performance for gaming. Here are the steps to increase PC performance for gaming on Windows. First, update graphics drivers. Go to your GPU's manufacturer's website. For example, Nvidia, Intel, or AMD. Download and install the latest drivers for your graphics card. Enable game mode in Windows. Open Settings, Gaming, Game Mode. Toggle game mode to on for optimized performance during gaming. Set power plan to high performance. Go to Control Panel, search for Power Options, then click on it. Choose High Performance to allow your PC to run at full power. Disable background apps. Open Settings, Apps, Startup. Disable unnecessary apps that run on startup. Clean up temporary files. Press Window plus R, type temp, then hit enter. And delete all files by clicking Shift A and then click delete. Repeat steps above with %temp, %, and finally prefetch. Use an SSD for game installation. Move your games to an SSD for faster loading times and better responsiveness. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Lower texture, shadow, and resolution settings in-game to improve frame rate. Close background processes. Open Task Manager by clicking Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape and right-click on the game, then hit End Tasks if not needed while gaming. Update Windows. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and install all available updates. Defragment HDD if using one. Search for defragment and optimize drives and optimize your hard drive. Overclock GPU or CPU. Optional and risky. Use tools like MSI Afterburner to safely overclock your GPU only if you know what you're doing. Install Game Booster software. Programs like Razer Cortex can free up RAM and stop background apps temporarily while gaming. Following these steps should improve your gaming experience with smoother performance and better FPS. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.